After many beta versions, Microsoft finally rolled out the all-new keyboard app Wordflow for iOS. Wordflow, the keyboard app by Microsoft for iOS, is well known for its unique feature, which is one-handed use, which no other keyboard apps offer. In my opinion, it is an essential feature for devices with large displays. We can also customize the looks of the keyboard by our own personal interests, which other keyboard apps also offer. In my opinion, this is one of the best keyboard apps for iOS which I have ever used. Wordflow also supports the swipe to type feature, which was first introduced by the Swipe keyboard app for iOS, and it's pretty accurate. That's it for today, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned.